Yeah!
Hey y'all, in today's video I will be baking with my beautiful daughter Rhani again. I guess we could call this series Baking with Rhani.
Yeah.
That'd be cool, huh?
Yeah.
Anyway, today we're going to be baking some chocolate chip cookies. Yay! So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 350.
She's shy. Really shy.
We're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. Yeah. Make sure it's empty. Alright. So the first thing we're gonna do. So the ingredients that you're gonna need are half cup of butter melted, half a cup of packed brown sugar, light or dark, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1 large egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2/3 cups of milk chocolate chips.
And sprinkles.
We're gonna add sprinkles after. Is that okay?
No.
Yes.
But it's okay.
Okay, whatever. So the first thing that you want to do is cream your butters and your sugars. So let's let this up. And we're gonna add our melted butter, or you could just take your butter out ahead of time and let it get room temperature.
Yeah.
Or you can melt it in the microwave for like 10 seconds.
Because that's what we did because.
Okay, so go ahead and add the sugars.
Can I put the sugars?
That's flour. So we're gonna go ahead and add the sugars.
Let's pour it on you.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna move it closer to you. And then this, no, not the flour, the sugar.
Okay, let's pour it. Is it enough? Is it enough?
Yep. I'll go ahead and add it on this side. And we're gonna cream that, so we're gonna allow it to cream for
now this
2 to 3 minutes. No, we're gonna wait. We gotta mix this together first, okay?
Okay. Do we want to sit?
Looks good. Okay, let's make sure we add all of our ingredients, girl.
Yeah.
Add in.
I get strong. You want more?
Alright, so now alright, so here you practice. Let me let you practice cracking an egg. There you go. Okay, so remember how I showed you how to do it? Okay.
I really don't want to get it on myself.
Okay, don't. Here, do it on the counter. So you got it, and now you gotta break it apart.
I'm trying.
Did you crack it enough? Okay, there you
I
go.
did it!
Good job.
I did it!
Awesome. Woo.
I did it, guys! I cracked the egg, see? I cracked the egg before. Yeah! Now can we do it too?
No, we only need 1 egg.
Ooh.
Alright, so now we're gonna, here, you gotta add it to your mix.
Okay, let's do it. I really don't want to get on myself. I really don't want to get on myself. Isn't it?
Yep, and then we're gonna add our vanilla.
I want to put it on.
The vanilla's in.
I want to taste some.
If you can't taste it, eat it.
Put this in
All
it.
of it's being mixed up, so I'm switching the sides. No. Girl, you gotta wait. You gotta be patient.
I'm scared. Ah!
Here, put that in the trash. Okay, so now we're gonna add our flour, baking soda, and our salt. So
Okay,
this is our baking soda and our salt.
See guys, we got some baking soda. I don't want to have enough.
Alright, and then you're gonna add the
Mom,
flour.
we'll have a little bit more.
You want me to add the baking soda?
Yeah, because we have.
I mean, you want me to add the flour?
No.
Okay, be careful with the flour. Here, let me take this off so you can add it.
Is it done? Is it done? Is it done?
Here, I'll do the rest.
Okay. I was like really scared.
Alright, so now we're gonna add this back on.
Back on. I just get really excited because we make a huge mess.
Yeah, we do sometimes make a huge mess. Here you go. So sounds like the oven's ready to go. All right, so now you need to.
Chocolate chip.
No, we do that last. Okay, so now you need to. Now we need to mix your stuff. Turn it on.
What? Should I turn it on? Woo! So guys, if you want some, you can eat some. But we're in a video, so y'all can eat some. Guess what? If y'all are watching, I can't tell you. Mama's butt is really big.
What?
Never mind.
My butt is big. Why do you care how big my butt is?
Because
Wait.
when I see it, it's really big. Like it's bigger than all the butts in the world.
All right, so I think we're good.
Can I feel it?
Oh, that looks good.
Can I feel it? I want to feel it.
All right, so now you want to add in your chocolate chips.
Chocolate
I
chip!
don't know. Do we want to add all of these in here?
Yes!
Okay, whatever. Sure.
How do you put this in? Mate, some must be stuck.
Cool.
Now we put it in!
All right, so now just turn it on low.
That's how low you want to eat?
Yep. All
Can
right.
I feel it? Let me feel it.
All right, so now is the fun part, Ronnie.
What?
Now we get to roll them into little balls. We're gonna get our cookie sheet and our parchment paper, and we're gonna make our balls.
Guess what, guys? My dad ate a crocodile before. And I don't know why. He did. He told me. He did. When he...
Take our parchment paper and just line our cookie
Okay,
sheet.
let's do. You better stop.
So who is Clifford?
Clifford is my boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yeah.
They have boyfriends in kindergarten?
Yes.
Why?
Well, I don't know.
Why y'all want boyfriends?
Because
Because what?
teaching murders have a husband.
A husband, not a boyfriend. You got your whole life to have a boyfriend.
I work super hard. He asked me to be his girlfriend. So you was asked too.
And you said yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's see.
Hey, I like it.
I'm gonna tell your dad you got a boyfriend.
He already knows. He already knows.
He already knows.
Yeah, I told him.
Christopher is 17 and Christopher don't even have a girlfriend.
Well, I have a boyfriend. So
Don't you want to wait like Christopher?
no.
Why? Christopher don't have a girlfriend, so you shouldn't have a boyfriend.
But if I break up with him, he's gonna be mad.
He'll get over it.
No, I can't. I'll tell him when school's over.
Okay. All right.
And
So
it's the end of the year.
okay, so we're done with our cookies here.
See,
And-
guys, you wanna see? You wanna see?
Here, hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and place our cookies in the oven. And this time we're only gonna bake our cookies for 10 minutes because last time we overcooked them and they were really hard. So
Yeah. Hey, you ate some.
this time we're gonna bake them for 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right. All right, y'all, so now that our cookies have cooled, we're gonna go ahead and decorate. So Ronnie has sprinkles
No,
and
I'm trying to
gummy
bake.
bears. Okay, so let me show you how to do it.
I know how.
Okay, well you gotta turn the cookie over. Or you want it on this side.
I want it on this side.
Here.
Guys, it's a smiley face. Duh. Cause I like smiley faces on my things. Duh.
Alright, so we're gonna put some, you want the sprinkles on here?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Let's do them like that so we don't waste them.
Mm.
The sprinkles gotta have something to stick to, girl. And then you put some gummy bears.
know.
Because we're not about to eat all of these cookies, okay?
Why?
because. All right, y'all, that wraps up my video. If you like If you want to see more videos like this, if you like having Rhani on the channel, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm out.